Hello and welcome to the Hella Gutmann Solutions Workshop here at Hella Australia's head office in Mentone, Victoria. With parent company Hella being a Tier 1 supplier to the OEMs today and providing many of the components and systems that contribute to a vehicle's advanced driver assistance systems, Hella Gutmann Solutions is in an ideal position to provide diagnostic equipment, calibration equipment and training. So what is ADAS and what does it mean for today's motor vehicle technicians? Advanced driver assistance systems are systems fitted to today's vehicles to enhance driver, passenger and pedestrian safety and to assist in avoiding or mitigating accidents. The systems take information from the various sensors mounted around the vehicle and can take control of the vehicle, bringing the vehicle to a complete stop if necessary by the autonomous emergency braking. With lane departure warning or lane keep assist, the vehicle will give the driver a warning if the vehicle veers from the centre lane or will even steer it back to the centre of the lane. Adaptive or automatic cruise control can maintain a set distance from the car in front. With this system, the vehicle can come to a complete stop and then accelerate away again as the vehicle in front moves away. These are just a few examples of ADAS fitted to today's motor vehicles. So what does this mean for today's motor vehicle technicians? The cameras, radars and lidars used to gather information about the vehicle's surroundings must all be pointing in the correct direction to ensure they function as designed. These sensors are generally referenced to the vehicle's thrust line, and as a result of this, after any work has been performed on the vehicle that affects the suspension geometry, a calibration may be required. The windscreen cameras are generally calibrated in one of two ways, static or dynamic. For a static calibration, a manufacturer-designed target board is placed in a precise location to enable the calibration process to begin. The Hella Gutmann Solutions CSC tool, which we see here, is used for a static calibration. The other form of calibration is a dynamic calibration, where the vehicle is driven, often at an advised speed range, and the camera system calibrates by using the road markings, speed signs and other traffic. Radars can also be calibrated either statically or dynamically, depending on the radar type. A static calibration may require the use of the Radar Kit 1 EVO radar plate, magnetic laser used in conjunction with the EVO radar plate, Radar Kit 3 reflector cones, or the Doppler generator, also known as the radar reflector. We will go into further detail on radar calibration in this series of videos and perform several radar calibrations. So what does all of this mean for a general workshop? A workshop that specialises in suspension modifications and or a body workshop. It means that it would be prudent to carefully plan for any work that is going to be carried out on a vehicle in your workshop today. Will the work you plan have any effect on the sensors, radars and cameras of the vehicle's ADAS? If so, how will you ensure the correct operation and performance of these systems once you have completed this work? If a calibration is required after the completion of your work on the vehicle, how will this be carried out? Will you do it yourself? Have you been forward thinking and invested in the tools and equipment to enable you to carry out calibrations? Or will you need to send the vehicle to a dealership to have the calibration carried out? In the coming videos of this series, using the Hella Gutmann Solutions diagnostic and calibration equipment, we will show you step by step the calibration process for cameras and radars. We hope you enjoy this video series presented by Hella Gutmann Solutions.